So the pyramids of Giza are actually set up for the constellation of Orion, but the arguments that I bring up is that they seem to be pointing towards Gemini or Taurus. In this case, I kind of do the outline of Orion that's pointing towards Taurus because it's somewhat proportional to what the constellation of Orion would be on the ground, which is a reverse reflection because or you can probably say that the constellation rotates, but it's actually set up for Upper and Lower Egypt, which is, if you study Upper and Lower Egypt, they're reversed because supposedly people think that they have compasses, but if you have the Polaris pointing north, and you would line yourself up with your superior position, but in this case it will be probably due to the polar reversal of the earth. Now there's a lot of evidence that it's gonna happen or not, but I don't know. But anyways, the constellation of Orion points towards Taurus, here. Taurus it's part of the zodiac, and probably this is the only reason why Orion was picked, because it points to the zodiac at a particular time of the equinox. So if you think of the equinox as a particular clock where the zodiac goes around the earth, when the earth tilts and moves, it points to a particular degree in space, where the zodiac or the equinox points to a different spot of the space in relation to where you're spinning. So in this case, if you want to assume, because the pyramids of Giza were probably built somewhere around the age of Taurus, could be or could not be. The Sphinx, on the other hand, is pointing due east, and it's not. It has no relationship to the pyramids. It's just probably an equinox marker because it's just pointing due east in relation to the pyramids. And the Sphinx could be older because you have a different